GetWell Network's interactive patient whiteboard is the industry's first collaborative bedside communication tool that improves patient satisfaction and quality of care by helping patients, families, and caregivers easily share meaningful and up-to-date information on the most pressing patient concerns. This fully customizable whiteboard makes it simple to get easy-to-understand answers on important patient questions like, who's taking care of me? What is happening today? And when can I go home? GetWell Network patients and families visit the My Team panel to learn more about their care team members, log questions for them, and gain more awareness about who is coming into their room. The My Day panel helps patients and families know what to expect in a given day and what they need to do to go home, helping enhance discharge planning. From here, patients and families can also review and validate important information like medications or daily goals. The About Me section is a space created just for patients, encouraging engagement and providing them with an outlet. There's even a space for family and friends to leave notes if a patient is sleeping or out of the room. Managing the interactive patient whiteboard is simple. The GetWell Network Management Console lets clinicians make real-time changes to the in-room whiteboard. Readily accessible from any web-based computer, this Clinician Whiteboard Manager tool makes it effortless to assign staff, log visits, and preview patient questions, enabling caregivers to be confidently prepared with answers each time they enter a patient's room. Clinicians can also add a procedure or activity, set new goals, or write messages to other care team members, ensuring smooth shift transitions and further enhancing handoff communication at the bedside. Enabling patients, families, and caregivers to easily share meaningful and up-to-date information on the most pressing patient concerns, the Interactive Patient Whiteboard is an innovative, collaborative tool that helps hospitals foster better communications at the bedside, increase patient satisfaction, and deliver the highest quality of care. To learn more about GetWell Network's Interactive Patient Whiteboard, please contact us today.